Could be. And he seems like a nice guy, apparently.
Yes.
Yeah. And so you've arranged to meet him here today?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, well, good. And tell me something about him.
Well, he's from Texas.
Yeah.
He rides bulls and, like,
he
rodeos.
He rides bulls?
Yeah, and I don't know anyone who does that, so I thought that was interesting.
Wow. Yeah. And so you're looking forward to meeting him now?
Yes.
Well, good. Okay. He's outside the studio, so he hasn't heard any of this. But here he is. Here's Austin.
Oh, my God. Hi.
Nice to finally get to meet you.
It's nice to meet you, too.
I know that you told me that crystals were your favorite.
Oh, isn't that nice?
Thank you.
So, hey, Austin, so you found out she was a stripper. Did that increase your interest?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had never been at this trip.
You've never...
Never even met one.
You never even met one?
Yeah.
Okay. And you've never been to a strip club?
No.
Really?
Every day of my life.
Wow, okay, good for you. And she said that you ride bulls and...
Yeah, I ride bulls on the weekends and stuff and during the summer with my friends.
Wow. That's, yeah. Well, what do you just met, so what do you want to say to him?
Well, when I come to Texas, you offered, well, I model and I do dance for a living, and I was asked to go to Texas, so he offered...
Oh, you asked her to come to Texas?
No, he offered to let me stay with him, so I didn't have to stay at a hotel.
I see what you're saying. Okay.
And I offered to let her stay with me and everything.
Oh, wow. Very nice. And you're going to stay with him?
Now that we met, possibility.
Oh. You happy about that?
Yeah. All my friends tell me it's pretty cool to have a...
Yeah. They'll probably all come over to visit.
Yeah, sure.
They'll be waiting there when you come in there.
Right.
And do you get, because he seems pretty shy, like a really nice guy.
I mean, I'm shy too, but not that shy.
Yeah. And do you meet guys like this?
Yeah.
Or are most of the guys you meet guys that, you know... Really...
No, they're more dominant. He's more...
You think passive? Yes.
Yeah, a lot.
That's the word that came to mind. Who's Roxana?
That's my girlfriend.
You're not as shy as I thought. Yeah. Well, wait a second. If you have a girlfriend, how is she going to come and stay with you?
She doesn't know about it yet.
She doesn't know about it. Oh, boy. Well, she's here. She's backstage. You didn't know that he had a girlfriend? Well, here's Roxana. Hi.
Are you really moving her in with you?
If she needed a place to stay.
But we were supposed to move in together. We planned this.
How long have you guys been together?
We've been together for 10 months. So you started talking to her right after we got together.
Pretty close to it.
She's just some dirty prostitute.
Oh.
Like, why would you want that? Why would you want some dirty whore?
Well, we don't.